Implementing best practices for subscriber engagement. Subscriber engagement plays a crucial role in improving email deliverability and quality. By implementing best practices, you can ensure higher open rates, increased click-through rates, and more conversions. In this tutorial, we will explore several effective strategies for engaging subscribers and enhancing your email marketing campaigns. 1. Segment your subscribers. Segmentation is the key to delivering personalized content. By categorizing subscribers based on their interests, demographics, or engagement levels, you can tailor your emails to their specific preferences. Use a reliable email marketing platform that allows you to create segments effortlessly and automate the process. 2. Provide valuable and relevant content. Ensure that your email content provides value to your subscribers. Craft engaging subject lines that pique their curiosity and compel them to open the email. Deliver relevant information, such as industry insights, tips, tutorials, or exclusive offers. Personalize the content using the recipient's name or previous purchases, if applicable. 3. Use eye-catching templates. Invest time in designing eye-catching email templates that align with your brand's visual identity. Choose the right combination of colors, fonts, and imagery to create a visually appealing email. Remember, an aesthetically pleasing email template enhances brand recognition and encourages subscribers to engage with the content. 4. Optimize for mobile devices. With the majority of emails being accessed on mobile devices, it's crucial to optimize your emails accordingly. Make sure your templates are responsive and render well on all screen sizes. Keep your email design clean and use a font size that is easily readable on small screens. Test your emails on different devices to ensure optimal viewing experience. 5. Encourage subscriber feedback. Engagement is a two-way street, and subscribers appreciate having a voice. Include a call to action, CTA, in your emails that encourages subscribers to share their opinions, reply to the email, or participate in surveys and polls. Actively listen to their feedback and use it to improve your email campaigns. 6. Leverage dynamic content. Dynamic content allows you to personalize your emails dynamically, based on subscriber attributes or behavior. For example, you can display different product recommendations for each subscriber based on their browsing history or previous purchases. This level of personalization enhances engagement and increases the chances of conversion. 7. Automate email campaigns. Automation enables you to engage with subscribers at relevant times based on their behavior. Set up triggered emails, such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or birthday emails, to maintain constant contact with your subscribers. Use automation workflow tools to streamline this process and ensure timely delivery of emails. 8. Optimize send times. Sending emails at the right time can significantly impact engagement rates. Experiment with different send times and analyze the results to identify the optimal time frame for your audience. Consider factors such as time zones, industry trends, and subscriber preferences when determining the best send times. 9. Monitor and analyze metrics. Regularly monitor and analyze your email metrics to gauge the effectiveness of your engagement strategies. Pay attention to metrics like open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and unsubscribe rates. Identify patterns and trends, and use the insights gained to fine-tune your future email campaigns. 10. Maintain a clean subscriber list. Regularly clean your subscriber list to remove inactive or unengaged contacts. Periodically send re-engagement campaigns to dormant subscribers and consider removing those who still don't engage. A clean list improves your email deliverability and ensures your messages reach the subscribers who are genuinely interested. By implementing these best practices, you can effectively engage your subscribers, improve email deliverability, and enhance the overall quality of your email marketing campaigns. Remember to continually monitor and adapt your strategies based on subscriber feedback and analytics to ensure optimal engagement and success.